Hi, we're going to solve this equation with one variable x. It looks a little scary because it's got like a fraction or something going on. So let's just take this step by step. To start off, it might be easier to draw a line down the equal sign. And we should know that we're starting on the left side of the equation because it has an x on the left. It has our variable on the left. So you think, what do we get rid of first, the 2 or the 5? The 5, right? Because it's like, kind of, if you think about it, it's farthest away from the x. In order to get rid of something, you have to do the inverse operation, or the opposite operation. Right now we have a plus 5, so the opposite of addition is subtraction. What you do to the left, you do to the right. The whole point of inverse operation is that it'll get rid of, that number. Okay, 11 minus 5, maybe we don't know what that is yet. It's a positive 11 if there's no symbol in front of it, so we get 6. On the left it goes away because that's the whole point of inverse operation. Now, when you're doing this, make sure that you bring down everything that's left over. Don't just leave it like this and think you can solve it, because you get a little confused. I'm going to bring down the equal sign. I'm going to bring down the x over 2. Again, we need to get rid of that 2. We haven't actually solved for x yet, because x is not alone. X is not isolated. So we have to do the inverse operation, and you have to think, well, what's going on? What is that 2 doing to that x? It's dividing it. So the inverse of division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply the left side by 2, and what we do to the left side of the equation, we have to do to the right side of the equation. The whole point of inverse operation is that it cancels out. I'm left with x equals 6 times 2, 12. Now, just to double check and make sure we did everything right, I'm going to plug it in to the first equation. I'm going to substitute 12 in for x. So 12 over 2, 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. And that's exactly what we wanted because we had 11 on the right-hand side. So we're done.